Story 9. A sick man, having been asked what his heart desired, replied, that it may not desire anything. When the bowels are full and the belly pains, there is no use in all other things being right. Well, you want to take care of your lower chakras before you while you approach your higher chakras, right? Because this idea of ignoring things, not even a fast. A fast is not about ignoring your hunger, thirst, and sex drive. It's about setting it aside and just, oh, it'll be taken care of outside the fast hours, right? And in the right conditions and whatever. It teaches you to be better at that.